I'm so hungry. You know what we're gonna make today? We're gonna make some guacamole. We're gonna turn this into this. This will take us 5 to 10 minutes. We'll toss it on a bowl. We'll do a quick taste test and that's it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel below, please hit the like button and subscribe below. Now let's make some guacamole. Guacamole ingredients: avocado, tomato, cilantro, onion, hot pepper, lime, salt, garlic. Avocado, a spoon. Now let's scoop it out. It should scoop out easily if the avocado is ripe. If it's difficult, then you might want to find another one. See that seed? Take the knife, chop it. Now twist. It should pop the seed right on out. Keep the seed because later on we can put that in guacamole. It'll keep it fresher longer. Now let's proceed to scoop out the other avocados. Now, here we have it. Now that we have the avocados cut, we're going to smash them. You can also use the stone smasher too as well. But the goal is to either have it small or identifiable chunks of soft, ripe, and delicious avocado. So keep on smashing until you get the way you want it. Make sure you remove the stems of the cilantro before you cut it. The goal here is to thinly slice the cilantro as thin as possible. Once you're cut as thin as possible, take the cilantro and place it in a bowl. Take the tomato and slice it down the center. This one's damaged, so let's get another one. What do we have here? This looks fresh. Let's use this one. Cut the tomato in half. Take one side. You can cut it thinly sliced or in chunks. It's all up to you. Once done, add it to the mix. Take a quarter piece of the onion, dice it thinly, and add it to the mix. Smash the garlic, chop it up, and place it in the bowl. Take 1 hot pepper or 2 hot peppers. Slice them diagonally and add them to the mix. Now, take a spoon and blend together all ingredients. Keep blending until everything's well mixed together. Once done, let it chill for... That was easy. 10 minutes, right? So now, let's do the taste test, everyone. Good, one more. Man. I thought it was gonna be way hotter than it was, but it's just right. Just a little heat, sweet, just a hint of cilantro, tomato, but I say this was a success, everyone. And if you want me to make something else, let me know. I'll try anything once. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit subscribe below. Until then, have a great day. It's good too. Don't waste nothing.